the special person who's in our midst today? The minister of Education. Wonderful. And can somebody tell me the minister's name? Honorable. Let me hear you. Wonderful. So today we have the Honorable Shawn Edward, Minister of Education, Sustainable Development, Innovation, Science, Technology, and Vocational Training, who is going to just say a few words to you as we begin this new school year.
As Minister for Education, I have to visit 74 primary schools in St. Lucia. And I must also visit 24 secondary schools in St. Lucia. And then I still have to visit the Sir Arthur Lewis Community College. I have to visit Monroe University. And I have to visit the open campus of the University of the West Indies. And here is, at Ave Maria Girls Infant and Girls Primary, we have approximately, you know what I mean by approximately? About, it's not an exact figure, but we have almost 700 children at the two schools. Right? Now that's a lot of children, right? But here it is, as the Minister for Education, I am responsible for every student in St. Lucia. And I have to be responsible for 26,000 students in this country. So when you add all the students from Ave Maria Girls Primary and Infant, you add all the boys next door from RC Boys Primary and Infant, you add Dame Paulette, you add St. Joseph's Convent, Viewfort Comprehensive, Choiseul Secondary, and all the other schools in St. Lucia, I am responsible for 26,000 children in our school system. And I can tell you that St. Lucia has the most wonderful children in the entire Caribbean and the whole wide world. Did you hear me? I said you are amongst the best children in the world. You are well behaved, you are smart, and you obey your parents and your teachers. Is that true? Wait. So, listen. So when I leave here this morning and I go to work and I'm speaking to the Prime Minister and I say to the Honorable Philip J. Pierre, the Prime Minister, as Minister for Education, I will say to him that the students at Ave Maria are amongst the best behaved in the entire country. Am I correct to tell him that? Yes. Wait. Are you not amongst the best behaved children in St. Lucia? Okay, so maybe I should tell him the children at Dame Paulette are the best behaved. Should I tell him that? Now this is what you're going to do for me. If you believe that the students of the Ave Maria Girls Primary and Girls Infant are the best behaved, put up both hands. Okay, not everybody thinks so. But students, let me say to you that the first thing that struck me when I came here was how neat and organized you look in your uniform. And I say this sincerely, and I'm saying this very, very seriously. I cannot remember the last time I went onto a school compound where there was that level of uniformity, where the students were so well dressed. The socks, the shoes, the overalls, and the shirt were exactly what you were asked to buy before the school year started. Just look around you. Look at the students at the infant school over there. Primary, let us give our infant students a round of applause. Thank you. Infants, can you hear me? Infants, can you hear me? Kindergarten, can you hear me? I want the infant students to clap for the primary students. Let's clap for them. Very good. So, I want you to remember one thing this morning. It is extremely important for you to be kind to your classmates. To be kind to the students at the school. How many of you are kind? How many of you like to share? You must learn to share, you must be kind, and you must obey your teachers and your principal. I will be visiting your school again in the near future, and when I come, we will have a much longer conversation. Thank you very much for listening. Be obedient and enjoy school. Now, hear me. Your school is a great school, or the two schools are great schools because you have excellent teachers. Your teachers are excellent. Your teachers work hard and they love you. And this morning, hear me, the last thing I want you to do for me. Now, there are people all at Carmen Rene. You know where Carmen Rene is? Now, you are going to give the teachers a round of applause. Wait. But I want you to be so loud with your applause. You have to clap so loud. Wait. I want you to be so loud that the students at Carmen Rene can actually hear you. Wait. I will count to 3. Now I want you to shake your hands and your fingers because I want that to be a big clap. I want you to stretch your arms because you're going to clap for your teachers. After 3, you give your teachers, the principals, the cooks, the cleaners, the caretakers, and everybody else, you are going to give them an Ave Maria round of applause. Not, wait. I don't want, I do not want a preschool round of applause. You know, children in preschool, they clap in soft clap. I don't want that. I want an Ave Maria round of applause. So that when you clap this morning, everybody at Carmen Rene will be wondering, where is that coming from? Are you ready? Shake your hands and your fingers for the last time. And after 3, we are going to clap for our teachers, our principals, our cooks, our cleaners, and caretakers. Are you ready? You sure you're ready? After 3, you're going to clap. 1. Not yet. I said after 3. 1. I want silence. If you're not silent, you're not clapping. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Now, hear this. Carmen really heard you. I want the children in groups to hear you now. After 3. 1, 2, 3. That is it. Thank you very much, students, and have a wonderful day in school. Thank you very much. Now, wait. So, wait. So, you're not clapping for me? Thank you very much.
Oh, we love you, yes we do. Oh, we love you, yes we do. Oh, we love you, we love you. Oh, we love you, yes we do. Let's speed it up now. Oh, we love you, yes we do. Oh, we love you, yes we do. Oh, we love you, lovely. Oh, we love you, yes we do. Put your hands together one more time for him.